How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Zubola RC monster truck in 1/114 scale. It comes with 2 batteries for the monster truck lasting 25 minutes each, so a total of 50-minute runtime, and it requires 2 AA batteries not included for kids 8 and up. How durable is this? Will it take the beating of a kid? First, let me show you guys everything that's included and point out some details you might not notice just from the product page. The charger is this simple USB plug. All the intelligence resides in this plug over here. You can plug it in and plug in one of the batteries. The LED lights up to let you know it's charging, and when it turns off, it means it's fully charged. It comes with a screwdriver for you to open up the controller. This screw is helpful so a child cannot remove the batteries. Put in the batteries, replace the cover, screw it back on. In the manual, it says this circular button is the horn button, but in reality, this circle button is not a button at all. The button is this V right here. You push this for the horn. This antenna is not a real antenna. Open the back to install the battery, plug in one of the batteries, and I would hold this connector out, push the battery in, and push the rest of the connector in this way. Replace the cover. You turn it on. When you turn on the controller, it turns on the truck's engine like this. And then it proceeds to have this idling sound. You can push the auto for the horn. Forward, back, back, left, right, left, right. The left right doesn't actually move the front wheels left and right. It simply tilts this left and right. And with adult RC cars, you can turn at varying degrees, but this is just a button over here. So the left and right button will fully move the wheel left or right fully. There's no in between, but this does not prevent you from turning the vehicle a little bit. You got the graffiti style painting on the top, on the side. The other side looks about the same. There's a little bit of shock absorption. The 2 wheels are connected together, but they just kind of hang loose like that. You got these support wheels so that when it goes backwards, it can still keep on rolling. Each wheel is somewhat rubbery, but it's also hollow and pretty large. You can roll over stuff. Comes with an extra set of pins. These are the pins on the top. So if you remove them, you can remove the top if you want, and this will give you opportunity to put whatever you want on top and drive this thing around, including putting a GoPro on here. When you turn it on, you can see the 6 LEDs internally. That was shining right there. Quick drop test from the table. This should be pretty typical. Seems okay backwards. There's an auto mode. Let's try that. You press and hold it. It just kind of goes crazy. Oh my goodness. That lasts for like a good 30 seconds. Turn radius is not too good, so I'd say it's about 3 meters turn radius. So if you want to do a U-turn, you gotta do like a 3-point thing. If you just keep on going forward, it will make these engine sounds. That sounds like it's shifting gears, so. That sounds kind of cool. Go on reverse and then forward, and then it'll go upright. Then you turn one way while going forward. And it'll spin around. I've got a bag of Pez dispensers. I think the way to play this thing is not really to turn a lot, but roll over stuff. Once it's on its back, it's like there's no way to get it over. Maybe there's a way to rock it to get it to flip. That just means you gotta flip it back over, kind of like a turtle. When you're done and you turn off the remote control, it actually doesn't sense you turned off the remote control and turn off the engine. So you just gotta go and turn it off manually. Zubola RC monster truck. I think kids, particularly little boys that loves monster truck, will really love this thing. The fun part probably comes in rolling over stuff, and I think this can bring endless hours of fun. If you guys are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.